All right, guys, so we're going to keep going. So here in number 6, first thing we want to do is write this in standard form. So I'm just going to do that up here. So it would be negative x squared plus 3x plus 10. But I'm actually going to rewrite that again to take out that negative out front. So negative x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, that way that x squared out front is positive. Okay, so if I have that, then I can factor x squared minus 3x minus 10. That's x minus 5 times x minus 2 over 60y times, I'm going to flip this to be 75y to the 5th over, and I can take out a 5, I can take out an x, and I can take out a y. So I would be left with x plus, oh, I'm sorry, that should be x plus 2 up there. X plus 2. The x plus 2's can cancel. Okay, I can take a 15 out of both of these. I'm going to have 5 and 4. This y will go away, and that would become y to the 4th. Okay, then again, there's another y down here that would cancel to make it y to the 3rd. Okay, there were 2 y's down there that I could get rid of. So then from there, I would be left with negative. I have a 5 out front, x minus 5 over, forgot the y to the 3rd, times x minus 5 over, what would that be? 20x. And again, maybe you missed that the 2 5's would cancel. That's fine, because in here you could say that would be 1 and that would be 4. That's why I always said to keep checking. So negative y to the 3rd times x minus 5 over 4x. That would be our final answer. Okay, number 7. This up there is actually a dots problem, so that's going to be 12x minus 1 times 12x plus 1 over x minus 1 times, we're going to flip this around, so this is actually the same as negative x plus 1, which is negative times x minus 1, so we always like to write it like that. Get rid of that negative out front, and then I can factor out a 5x, and I would be left with 12x minus 1. So 12x minus 1 will cancel, x minus 1 would cancel, and I would be left with, don't forget that negative out front, 12x plus 1 over 5x. That would be our answer. Okay, next problem. Over here I factor, this is going to be x minus 8 times x plus 3. In the bottom, I can factor out an 8x, and I'd be left with x plus 1. Remember, that's like over 1, so I can rewrite that as 1 over, and this is going to be x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay. X plus 3 can cancel out with one of them on the bottom, and I would be left with x minus 8 over 8x times x plus 1 times x plus 3. That is all that I can do to simplify there. Okay, up here I can factor out first the 5, so I would have had x squared minus 4, which is a dots problem. Okay, so that's really going to be 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 over 25x squared. I can't simplify that. Times, this is going to be, remember, we're flipping it, so x plus 4 times x plus 6, because I'm factoring out this bottom one first technically, over x plus 4 times x plus 2. X plus 2 cancels out with the x plus 2, x plus 4 with the x plus 4. 5 goes away and 25 becomes 5. So I'm left with x minus 2 times x plus 6 over 5x squared as my final answer. Okay? So hopefully you guys don't have too many questions, but when we meet up in our live session shortly, you can ask me any questions that you do have. All right? See you guys soon. Bye.